This is the first episode of TCMS Live, featuring the reigning Mr. and Miss TCMS 2025, and your hosts for today, Chris and Jezel.
Good day, TCMers!
And welcome to TCMS Live, where we bring you all the latest updates about Dai Covenant Montessori School.
Today,
So let us all welcome the reigning Mr. TCMS Senior High School from grade 11 Philemon, Justine Paez, and the reigning Miss TCMS Senior High School from grade 11 Solomon, Shanine Ramos.
and of course, we have our Mr. TCMS 2025, Russell Bailon of grade 12 Jerusalem, and Miss TCMS 2025, Tiffany Moda of grade 11 Kings.
So good day to our reigning winners. How have you been after the pageant? Anybody could answer?
We're doing fine po after the coronation po.
Nakahinga na ba kayo ng maluwag ngayon, or has it already settled already na kayo ang mga chosen winners during the pageant?
Actually, hindi pa po. Nagpo-process pa rin po sa akin.
Up until now?
Yeah.
Okay. Sige. Well, that being the question first, since you are the new winners of Mr. and Miss TCMS, that means you are also the new ambassadors of the Covenant as well. But let me ask you, bringing you back to the journey before kayo mapunta sa Dai Covenant, paano nyo po ba na-discover ang isang Dai Covenant Montessori School?
Actually po, yung naghahanap pa lang po ako ng school ko, ng grade 11.
Okay. Ang ganda naman yung Teacher Jessel, no?
Di ko siya binulungan yun, sir.
How about you, Shanine? How did you come to discover Dai Covenant?
Actually, I was from Tarlac po talaga. And then, nag-transfer po ako pabalik here sa Taguig. And nirecommend lang po sa akin ng close friend ko. And then sabi niya po, Dai Covenant is the school of multiple intelligence, which is a great thing for me kasi ayoko lang na nag-excel ako academically. Gusto ko rin na nag-excel ako throughout my other stuffs na ginagawa ko, like dancing, singing, and stuff.
Ay, dancing and singing. Baka naman pwedeng isang pasample
Feel
dyan,
ko
Shanine.
pwede ng sample dito, sir, no?
Kahit singing man lang, Shanine.
Yes.
Para mapatunayan talaga natin na tayo ay School of Multiple Intelligences. Sige nga.
Ayan, can you give us a short sample of singing?
Yes.
Diba? Kasi dapat makikita ng ating mga viewers na totoo yung sinasabi nating School of Multiple Intelligences tayo.
Kahit konti lang.
Ayan, hinahanap pa niya kung ano yung kanta na gagamitin.
Sige, ready na? Okay, palakpakan natin si Shanine.
Come stop your crying, it'll be alright. Just take my hand, hold it tight. I will protect you from all all around you. I will be here, don't you cry.
Ay, ang galing-galing naman niya.
Partida a cappella yun, Sir Chris.
Yes.
Grabe,
And of course,
super
ang
sweet.
napansin ko, kahit sa kanyang singing voice, may accent pa din si Shani.
Totoo.
Sige. Thank you so much, Shanine, for that kahit maiksing talent lang. This time, I would be asking Russell, in 3 words, pwede mo bang i-describe ang sarili mo bago ka pumasok sa Day Covenant?
3 words. Siguro po.
Lalim ng mga terms niya, no?
Parang ang lalim na pinagugusto niya, sir.
Insecure. Ano yung isa? Restless.
Restless.
Di ba ang lalim si Mayers? Tanungin naman natin siya, bakit ganun yung description mo sa sarili mo before TCMS?
Actually, malalim po talaga yung past ko before transferring. Pero in short, parang malungkot. Pero right now, masaya naman po ako nasaan ako ngayon. So, yung 3 words na after is happy, of course. Ano ba dalawa? May masasuggest ka ba, sir?
Bakit
Nagtanong
ako?
pa sa'yo, sir,
buhay
diba?
mo yan. Pwede ko bang diktahan ang buhay mo? Restless and insecure, you are now happy, brave and confident. Bakit ka naman happy, brave, and confident na?
Since I've
Very evident naman. Kasi nung, as one of your teachers in the grade 12 council, kasi syempre nakikita ko si Russell, though hindi niya ako teacher sa PR1, pero nakapag-take na kasi siya since transfer siya. Pero naging teacher niya ako ng PR2. So yung transition niya from first semester to second semester, napaka-evident nun.
Yes. Actually, as his teacher sa 21st CL, nakakasalubong ko siya papasok sa school na nakakap. So, wala siyang confidence sa sarili niya back then. And looking at him right now, sobrang makikita mo yung changes drastically talaga. Sobrang laki ng pinag-improve niya in every aspect.
Ayan, from cap to crown.
Very
diba?
witty.
Ganon ang experience ni Russell.
Totoo, I agree
Very
with
much
that.
Latina ang glow up. Tama ba, Russell?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you so much, Russell. How about you, Tiffany? What 3 words as well can you describe yourself before TCMS? And then the next 3 words are after TCMS.
Before po is lost. Now, since after nag-aaral ako dito sa DAICO, yung 3 words po are found, guided, and redirected po. Kasi given na po yung Thai Covenant is a school of multiple achievers, dito ko rin po na nahanap yung gusto kong maging and after during na nag-aaral ako dito, na-enhance po siya lalo.
Grabe naman. Ang lalim din ng mga salita ni Teacher Chessel, di ba?
Totoo.
Ano ba pinagdadaanan niyo nung high school kayo?
Grabe yung mga word, no? Lost, doubtful.
Pero
grabe.
syempre, as part of TCMS, I am proud And I am very much happy na syempre, from that being lost, being doubtful, being insecure, you turned your life into the positive side. Kahit mabagal, kahit gradual, at least
There's a
merong
change.
positive change
Yes,
na nangyari sa
I
kanila.
agree with
And gaya nga ng sinabi natin, very evident din yun kay Tiffany kasi hindi ka naman magiging Miss TCMS kung hindi yun yung totoong nangyari sa buhay mo.
Yes po.
Ayan. Maraming salamat sa inyong short journey to TCMS.
Yes. Now to keep the ball rolling, no? Let's ask naman, since you have won the crowns, as we can see from your head. Ngayon, ang question ko naman is, what were your deciding factors for joining?
Gusto po kasing ma-improve yung confidence ko. Kaya po, finish ko po yung fear kahit nakakatakot po. Kasi introvert po akong tao eh. Hindi po ako sanay humarap sa maraming tao.
Follow-up question first muna, Justin. Since you already said na ikaw ay isang introvert, which is also evident nung
Yes.
first semester, I would like to ask you personally, on a personal level, because of joining this pageant, kasi nakita ko in your social media posts, your appreciation posts, almost, actually lahat kayo may appreciation posts, but yours strike me particularly, kasi knowing that you are an introvert, paano nakatulong sa'yo itong pageant na to para ma-boost yung confidence mo and turning that, being an introvert, into your confidence development for the betterment of your, not just your personality, pati pagdating na rin sa iyong social skills. Paano nakatulong yung pageant sa'yo?
Sa guide po ni Ma'am Madel, hindi naman po para ganun ka, hindi naman inaakala ko pong mahirap, hindi naman po pala ganun ka hirap. So thankful po ako kay Ma'am Madel kasi nilagay niya, and especially po kay Ma'am Giselle, na nilagay niya po ako sa ganitong kind ng pageant, na nakatulong po sa akin as a student. Marami po na-realize, hindi po ganun kahirap, umarap sa maraming tao, and kaya ko naman po pala kung may tiwala po ako sa sarili ko.
Yung ganda ng sagot niya.
Totoo, na-touch.
Proud ka?
Siyempre, advisory class.
So
And
it's-
kitang-kita talaga yung changes kay Justin.
It's
sir.
safe to say na hindi lang yung pageant ang nakatulong sa kanya. But of course, yung mga teachers niya here at The Covenant, natulungan din siya kung paano ma-boost yung confidence niya. Am I
Yeah.
right,
Yes.
Justin?
Yes po.
Well, of course, it's part of our job to discover what you haven't yet discovered.
And it's our job to guide the students.
Yes.
Kaya we're super happy na nafu-fulfill namin yun. So,
Kaya naman, kung gusto nyo maghanap ng isang magandang senior high school, again, The Covenant Montessori School is willing to accept you to be
Yes.
part of our family.
I agree, sir. Yes. So,
Ayan.
how
So-
about the others naman? Ano naman yung other deciding factors nyo? Bakit kayo nag-join sa competition?
Actually, wala po talaga sa plano ko yung pagsasali sa Mr. and Mrs. TCMS. Pero na-encourage po ako ng classmates ko and advisor ko, which is si Sir Nico. And before po na-discourage ako since transferring nga po ako and wala po ako masyadong kilala dito sa TCMS. So yun po yung naging disadvantage ko kung bakit ayaw ko po sumali. Pero hindi ko talaga in-expect na yung the set of candidates ng batch namin ngayon is magiging circle of friends ko po inside the school, outside the school po. So parang, imbes kami po yung magkakalaban, kami po yung nagtutulungan. Sa talent video, sa pagrampa, sa pasarela. Tinuturuan po namin isa't isa at di po namin pinapayagan na may iwan ang isa't isa. Especially po to kahit si Pae sobrang introvert po na pag nasa rehearsal lang po kami, nasa gilid lang siya nagsa-cellphone. Inaano pa rin namin, sinasali pa rin po. So, ayun po, na-boost rin po yung each candidates yung self-confidence. Na-boost talaga yung self-esteem nila. And yun po, yung mga expect the unexpected. Yun lang po.
expect the unexpected. Ang ganda ng sagot niya, Teacher Jessel. What really strike me the most is that they did not just build their confidence, but of course, their social skills. Yung sabi nga ni Russell, it's the friendship and the camaraderie that they have built.
Yes, kasi nga naniniwala tayo, no man is an island. So, upon showing their skills, their friendship with one another, nakikita namin all throughout the pageant na totoong nagtutulungan sila sa isa't isa. And they also
is very much evident. The word of the day,
evident.
How about you, Tiffany? Ano yung naging deciding factors mo to join this pageant?
Actually, hindi po dapat ako yung representative.
Parang pare-pareho kayo ng experience.
Parang lahat sila hindi ready.
balik loob. Tara naman, may binalikan talaga si Tiffany.
Pero ganun talaga mostly, no? Kung sino yung hindi unang napili, tapos second choice lang siya, third choice, sila pa yung mas umaangat, mas madalas. Parang sa mga artista, di ba? Hindi naman lahat sila ay automatic sila yung nagiging bida. Even sila Catherine Bernardo, sila Daniel Padilla, they may be not the first choice, but in the end, kahit sila yung hindi first choice, sila yung mga nagiging blockbuster.
Totoo. Tsaka makikita mo yung hardship of
Kakabigay nga siya ng isang boosting factor kasi hindi man ako yung first choice, pero kailangan maging maganda yung results ko pa din.
Yes, totoo. Kaya nakakatuwa si Tiff, no? Ngayon nakikita natin siya from that story of hers.
Yes. Congrats, Tiff.
Thank you po. Actually, may dadagdag po ako na tawag dito. Na dahil nga po doon, parang napaniwala po ako dun sa sinasabi nila na may timing talaga sa'yo si God. Yes,
totoo.
If it's for you and if it's God's will, it will always be yours.
Everything happens for
Yes.
His will.
Sabi nga sa Ecclesiastes 3, right? So, there is a perfect time for everything under the heaven. So, thank you for that, Tiff. Napaka-inspiring naman ang iyong story.
How about you, Shanine? What were your deciding factors for joining this competition?
Same with them po. I wasn't expecting na I will join this pageant. Pinush lang din po ako ni Sir Eugene, my advisor. And nung una po, I was doubting na sumali po kasi hindi po talaga ako sure. Even though na I'm an extrovert, natatakot po ako sa crowded places na magsalita. Like for example, nung Q&A, I was stuttering kasi ang dami pong nanonood sa akin. And that made me more stronger. That gave me the reason na I should fight for something na gusto kong makamit.
I would fight for something na gusto kong makamit. Sana all pinaglalaban.
Diba? Kung gusto yung paglaban kay kay Shani.
Kay Shani.
Grabe.
Pero sabi niya, Teacher Jessel, nag-i-stutter daw siya nun. Pero from my point of view as the MC during that day, because I was listening to all your answers, hindi siya ganun kahalata, lalo na't may accent ka.
Totoo. Kaya na-highlight din namin yung accent mo that day. Grabe. Sobrang eloquent niya magsalita.
Pero syempre, for the same reasons and experiences na meron kayo, na sinasabi nyong pare-pareho nyong hindi in-expect na kayo yung sasali for this competition, I would like to extend as well our greatest congratulations and deepest thank you to the advisors and teachers na tumulong sa inyo. Kasi knowing for a fact, syempre, sabi nyo, doubtful kayo, insecure kayo, may mga introverts, hindi nyo in-expect na kayo yung sasali. Pero siguro kung hindi kayo pinush, ng mga advisors nyo. I guess it's safe to say na baka hindi kayo yung ini-interview namin dito. Tama po ba? So, thank you as well to those teachers and advisors. We are acknowledging your presence, your help, and of course, your guidance to our candidates turned winners. Ayan. Welcome to the circle of winners. Kumbaga. Diba? Now, for our next question, I would like to ask the two ladies here. Kasi, sabi ko nga, as the MC, na-observe ko lahat ng nangyayari
Oo, habang
sa
nasa stage ka na.
Akala nyo nakaganon lang kami sa
Totoo.
QR, sa index cards. Hindi. Ino-observe namin kanyo. And one of the great highlights, I would like to call it the highlight. One of the great highlights was when we are announcing who will become the Miss TCMS. Ngayon, yung tumatak sa amin, Teacher Jessel, yung paghahawakan nila ng kamay. Diba? Sabi ko nga sa'yo, hala, ba't sila nag-iiyakan?
Tsaka nag-uusap sila during the time. Na-notice ko talaga yon.
Para siyang international pageant.
Totoo. Akala ko nga Miss Universe.
Like to ask, kasi syempre we just saw you murmuring and crying. First question, what was going through your head na naging sobrang emotional nyo during that time? And number two, ano yung pinagbubulungan nyo? Pinagbubulungan nyo ba kung sino yung mas mahaba ang nails? Mas maganda ba yung hair extension ko? Or what? Sige, Tiff.
Actually po, hindi talaga namin expect na kami
that time is whoever wins, we will be proud of each other.
Yes
and
po.
Also, kaya po kami naiyak nung na-announce na po kung sino yung winner. Not because she got the crown. We were crying kasi at natapos na finally. Yun yung reason kung bakit po kami umiyak and nag-hug po kami para ma-comfort yung isa't isa.
Ay,
ang ganda ng rason
sweet.
nila.
Yes, women empowerment. Sobrang ganda ng inano nila. Pinag-uusapan. Grabe talaga yung pinag-uusapan nila during that time. And it made us proud kasi doon pa nakita natin gaano sila ka-sports.
Which is one of the reasons why kung ba't tayo nagkakaroon ng Mr. and Miss every year. Though it's a competition, syempre, ini-inform pa rin natin yung mga students natin, Teacher Jessel, that this should be a friendly competition. Which is every year, ganun naman yung nangyayari. Pero what I'm proud of your batch is all throughout the competition, even from the very beginning, you were already supportive of one another, which makes your batch very different from the others. Di ko naman sinasabing hindi sila naging malapit sa isa't isa or hindi sila naging friends. Merong naging friends pa rin, naging friends sila. Pero ang difference nyo is from the start until the end, nandun yung pagiging supportive nyo, nandun yung pagiging sportsmanship ninyo, at nandun yung essence ng pagkakaroon ng camaraderie and friendship all sa inyong batch. So, I guess it's safe to say na until now naman magkakaibigan kayo, di ba? At isang magtulungan pa din.
Yes. So, kitang-kita natin all throughout the months, friends sila, and it's really showing kung paano natin i-treat yung isa't isa.
We're very much proud of you guys. We're talking about the Pride, School of Achievers, School of Multiple Intelligences. Lahat yan nabanggit natin kanina. I would like to specifically ask Russell. Ayan, ba't parang napabuntong hininga ka naman doon?
Parang kinabahan naman
Oo,
siya,
sabi
sir.
niya talaga, hindi naman ito mahirap. Tapos na yung competition, hindi ka na namin i-judge. Okay, free answer na to. But for you, Russell, since you represented the city of Taguig in the nationals level, sabi nga ni Sir Nico, pinapalakpakan niya. On top of being a candidate for the Mr. and Miss TZMS. Tatlo yun, grabe.
Yes, nag-represent siya ng anong sports, sir?
Badminton.
Grabe.
At the same time, academic awardee
Yes,
with honors.
honors.
And of course, Mr. TC. Ikaw
Grabe. Sa kanya na
Ikaw
talaga ang corona. Talaga.
Para sa'yo talaga ang corona. Pero going back to my question, ano yung naging experience mo juggling all those three things? I'm sure nahirapan ka, but how did you come to manage that?
Actually, totoo po, sir. Mahirap talaga. Athlete ka, student, tapos may rehearsal, tapos on top of that, hatid dito yung rehearsal. So, ayun po, kudos rin po sa mga, actually, malaking tulong rin po yung mga teachers na nag-excuse po sa akin at kinonsiderate po yung time ko kasi di ko po talaga kaya. So, ayun lang po, na kinaya na time management ko as a student athlete and on top of that, Mr. and title holder rin po sa Taguig. Ayun po.
Ayan. Congratulations. And I must say, on behalf of the administrators, the faculty headed by Ma'am Fe Amibi Estela, the President CEO of TCMS, we're very much proud of you, Russell. Minsan lang yung mga ganitong uri ng estudyante sa buhay nating mga teachers. Pero syempre, as a teacher, it's our duty and responsibility na i-guide pa rin siya. Tama naman siya, Teacher Jessel. Time management will always be the key. But on top of that, it's the Lord's will. Sabi niya nga, na kaya niya to because the Lord is on His side.
Yes, and he's praying every day for His guidance. At the end of the day, it's God di ba? Kaya super grateful talaga siya kay God.
Sabi nga sa Philippians, kung ikaw may Exodus, ako may Philippians. Sabi sa Philippians, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Diba? So, thank you so much for that quite good experience of sharing, Russell. And since we're already talking about representatives outside our school community and inspiration, let us call on Miss Leila Sahagun from Grade 12 Zion, Miss TCMS 2025 first runner-up, and Miss Unique Talent of Miss TCMS, and also our Mr. TCMS second runner-up and our Inspiring Peer Awardee. We have from Grade 12 Shiloh, Mr. Denver Marquez. How have you been after the pageant?
Sir, I feel much more fearless after the competition.
Much more fierce.
Fearless. Grabe talaga yung mga vocabs ng mga ating bata.
Oo. Parang
Grabe.
as an English teacher, parang hindi ko na marurok ang kanilang mga bokabularyo. How about you, Denver? How have you been?
Okay naman po, sir.
Okay naman
Ayun,
siya.
okay na.
Yan. May ano tayo, equalizer. Yan. So, syempre, kanina sabi ni Russell, nagja-juggle siya ng kanyang academics, pagiging representative for the outside school competition, as well as trainings for the Mr. and Miss. Well, of course, one of the candidates as well, who also experienced that, rather, is Layla. Ayan. So, Layla, as for our viewers, is our DSPCC 2025 Photojournalism Qualifier and First Placer. So, first place po siya sa Division Schools Press Conference and Contests, which eventually led her to be a qualifier for the regionals, schools press and conferences and contests. So being part of campus journalism, academic awardee ka rin ba with honors or with high? With honors. And of course, on top of that, sumali ka rin ng Mr. and Miss TCMS first runner-up. So same question with Russell. Paano mo kinaya yon at paano tumakbo yung experience mo throughout that journey?
Kinaya ko to dahil kay Lord po. Every night po, I pray na paano ko po malalagpasan yung yung mga competitions po na sinasalihan ko from campus journalism to YS Nieman, and I also had trainings po sa TCMS Singers, and it was the most difficult time of my life po because I cannot manage my time na po that time kasi ang dami po sabay-sabay talaga. Sometimes if there are upcoming exams na po, sineset ko na po siya before pa po mag-exam before weeks. Pero po, dahil nga po may mga training, sobrang dami pong agendas here sa school and responsibilities, meron pong mga times na hindi na po ako natutulog, and huwag niyo pong gagawin yun kasi hindi po siya maganda sa health and hindi ka makakapag-focus.
Yes, it's not advisable.
Yes, pero of course, you also have to be responsible sa academics. Yun po.
Pero syempre, as one of your teachers, I must say, I'm proud of you, of your achievements, of your time management, and your faith in God. Kasi sabi mo nga nagawa mo to because of the Lord. So, hindi ka naman niya pinabayaan kasi nasa school ka na kung saan, sabi nga namin, Panginoon ang gumawa ng school na to. So, of course, sabi nga ni Russell kanina, nakikita ko siya, gumagano-gano siya. Kasi, TCMS Singers, Campus Journalism, YS Nieman, meron pang academics, merong exams, Mr. and Miss, may regionals representation, Campus Journalism. Parang on top.
Grabe. Siya yung pinaka-example ng multiple intelligences ni Howard Gardner.
Parang siya na talaga yung parang epitome. Epitome. Word of the day. Epitome. Google nyo na lang kung ano yun. Epitome or rurok ng pagiging isang achiever at pagiging isang multiple intelligence student.
Kasi other than that, yung hobbies niya, I saw from her video, nagpe-paint din siya.
Yes! Nagdo-drawing, nagpe-paint, kumakanta, sumasayaw.
Musical instruments, nagpe-play din siya.
Siguro kung bibigyan ako ng Diyos na pagkakataong mabuhay ulit, buhay niya. Buhay niya pipiliin
talent,
ko. Para talented at maganda din ako.
Totoo. And deserve naman niya lahat ng kanyang achievements because of her hard work. No, sir.
But I would just like to further ask Layla, since alam naman na natin kung ano yung pinagdaanan mo, juggling all those experiences, ano yung naramdaman mo nung time na nanalo ka as first runner-up ng Miss TCMS? At the same time, kasi hindi ko alam kung si si Jessel or si Teacher Nico ang nag-announce nun. Pero naririnig ko yung hingal din nung taga-announce ng mga achievements mo. Kasi medyo mahaba rin yung achievements mo. Nung narinig mo yung achievements mo during that time, ano yung naramdaman mo sa pagkapanalo mo at sa achievements mo?
Sa pagkapanalo naman po, I would take it as another experience po and another development or improvement sa akin. Kasi isa rin po sa malaking competition po yung Mr. and Miss, and you have to face the crowd. And also I have anxiety on answering questions because I thought na I won in experiences po. I won in achievements. I won that I stood up in front of the many crowd. I stood up for my family and sa friends na nag-support po sa akin. I won because of them po. Yun yung na-feel ko
Sa achievements mo naman.
sa achievements po. Kahit anong
Alam mo, sir, napansin ko kay Laila, napaka-humble niya as a student and as a person. Kasi siya yung nanalo eh. Personally, siya yung nanalo. But still, she give the glory back to everyone who helped her. And especially to God. Kaya kitang-kita natin yung humbleness niya. And she was my student in specialization sa UMS. And never din talaga siya nagkulang sa requirements pagdating all throughout na ang dami niya requirements, di ba? Ang dami niyang sinasalihan. Kaya grabe, nakaka-proud.
Kaya isa yung testament sa ating mga TZM mayors and future TZM mayors na kahit marami kayong clubs, organizations, or marami kayong ganap sa TZMS, isa tong patunay na hindi kayo pababayaan ng mga teachers nyo at the same time ng Panginoon. We will help you get that achievement from the beginning until the very end.
Yes, we will always be there for you guys.
And we will assure you na magiging fruitful ang achievements nyo pag nakamit nyo na siya.
Sobrang sarap sa
Sabi nga nila, mas pinaghihirapan, mas masarap sa pakiramdam.
Totoo, sir. Yan.
And-
Dapat pinapalakpakan talaga
Yes,
yun.
you would like to add more?
sa graduation po ba yun? Nung ina-announce po yung mga
Achievements mo.
ko po during graduation. Speechless ako.
Na-speechless ka na lang din.
Opo, kasi throughout my journey po kasi, I was doubting myself po talaga na baka hindi ko po kaya. Kasi sobrang dami po talaga niya. And napagsabay-sabay ko naman po siya.
Sumali pa sa world of dance yan, sir. Grabe.
Saka ano siya, parang katibayan na it's innate as well, na magaling ka, skillfully wise, but also academically wise. So you should be very proud of yourself as well.
Don't stop yourself from giving the credit back to yourself. Kasi
Saka
deserve na deserve mo.
inspiration ka na sa mga taong nanonood sa atin. And speaking of inspiration, Teacher Jessel, I would like to ask this question naman kay Denver. Ayan. Kasi you might not know or you may know already, isa ka sa mga naging inspirasyon ng mga kapwa candidates. It was very evident that you were a beam of good light throughout the pageant. Hence, you were awarded Mr. Inspiring Peer. So yun yung isa sa mga dahilan kung bakit ka inawardan na Mr. Inspiring Peer. Now, my question is, how did you manage? Ba't ka umiiyak?
Umiiyak na siya, sir.
How did you manage to help the other candidates on top of being a candidate
Kasi
too?
mahirap yun
Oo,
eh.
kasi mahirap yun
Totoo.
kasi ikaw, imaginein mo ha, if I were a candidate,
Ang dami ko na iniisip.
iisipin ko, paano yung damit ko, paano yung ganito, paano yung ganyan. Pero on top of that, inisip mo din yung kapwa mo.
Totoo.
So-
Narinig ko nga yun, sir, tinutulungan niya sa rampa.
Yes, sa
Grabe.
rampa, sa speech,
Sa pag-aayos,
sa pasarela.
everything.
So, my question now is, how did you manage to do that and why did you decide to do that?
Ginagawa ko po yun dahil
naman is, bakit ka naiiyak? Hindi, seryoso ako. Kasi there would be a reason behind that. Kasi hindi lang siya pure yung luha niya kung ba't siya nagiging ganyan. So my question is, why are you feeling such a way?
Dahil sa mga yung pinagdaanan namin. Niya sa akin, Denver, I need your help. Kailangan ko ng tulong mo kasi hindi ako marunong maglakad, hindi ako marunong magpasarela. And as a friend and a candidate, gusto kong tulungan yung kapwa candidate ko na i-improve yung sarili niya. And dahil sa mga sinasabi nila sa akin before na kundi dahil sa iyo, baka wala ako dito. And yeah, super thankful po ako sa lahat. Yun po.
Grabe no,
Grabe.
no hard feelings
Naiiyak
sila
na
sa
rin ako.
ako nga eh. No hard feelings sila sa isa't isa. Knowing na tinuruan niya si
Masarap
Russell,
sa feeling
diba?
na makatulong ka sa kapwa. Pero mas masarap din siguro sa feeling na ma-appreciate din nung tinulungan mo yung tulong na ibinigay mo sa kanya.
Tsaka parang yung achievement, it's the achievement for everyone.
Saka
Kasi-
masasabi ko I must say na proud ako sa inyong lahat as
Yeah,
one of your
true.
teachers. Proud din ako sa inyo as your trainer and organizer ng event. But mostly, I am proud of you as a person.
Totoo, sir.
As a human who is beaming with confidence, at the same time, it is part of you to initiate a helping hand na busilak ang iyong kalooban, most
Innate
especially
talaga
Denver.
sa kanya.
Yes,
Parang
innate
for
sa kanya yun.
it's very normal to help other people. Especially kapag yung mga tao na yun yung lumalapit sa'yo. Grabe yung pagiging busilak ng puso
And
talaga
which
ni Denver.
makes me proud as well, if I may say and if I may share, na kasi yan yung laging sinasabi ni Ma'am Ami sa amin na it's not just the lessons in the four corners of the room. It's the lessons as well that you will learn, develop, and gain outside your classrooms. And I must say, again, the word of the day, it's evident. Kitang-kita sa inyo lahat ng pinaghihirapan ng admin, ng teacher, ng buong school na to develop your character. Hindi lang academically or hindi lang utak ang dinedevelop natin dito, but the character itself. So, again, sabi nga ni Sir Nico, pinapalakpakan yan.
I am very proud with the holistic development of everyone here. From the start, from the beginning, and until now na nakaupo sila sa harapan ng bawat isa sa inyo, guys. Sobrang nakaka-proud, especially if you are part of those people working behind the curtains.
Yes.
Grabe talaga.
Makikita nyo talaga yung pagod nila. Pag lumalabas sila ng stage, sa likod ng stage, Sir, pagod na kami,
Sa
sir,
harap
ang
ng
init.
stage,
Pagdating
okay.
ng stage, magugulat kami, nakangiti na sila.
Totoo, ang init, pagod sila. Tapos
Russell.
practice na naman.
If I may share lang po, gusto ko payakin lalo si Denver. Actually, lahat po kami, hindi namin natin nasabi sa'yo, pero sobrang thankful kami sa mga times na kailangan namin ng tulong kasi almost lahat kami walang experience sa pageantry. Na-late kasi talagang puyat kami nagkaka-practice ng pasarela sa ng introduction namin. So parang 1 a.m. or 2 a.m. na sumisigaw pa rin kami ng introduction namin. And lahat po kami nun, sila Aliyah, Kabug po, sila Shanine, sila Aaron, yung and the others po. So parang Pasampulin po kaya po natin si Denver nung ano niya. Introduction niya.
Sample!
Di ba po?
Sample! Sample! Ayan.
Oh, Mr. TCMS ang
Oo.
umihiling Denver.
Actually, pagbigyan yan.
Ano ipapasample? Pasarela?
Kasama
Or
yung modeling.
Kasama introduction.
Go!
Sige. Pasarela with introduction. Ladies and
Denver.
gentlemen, TCMers, let's all welcome Mr. Denver Marquez.
Yeah, eh.
My name is Denver Risus Marquez, proudly representing Grade 12 Shiloh!
Ang galing-galing naman. Akala ko isisigaw niya, my name is April Valendres.
Iba yun.
Grade 12 Magsana! Ay, di ba yun?
Actually, nakabisado namin yung bawat isang lines kasi tinulungan mo ba silang lahat doon?
Kasi,
Very
in
tumatak
fairness,
eh.
ito rin yung unang batch na lahat ng introduction nila tumatak sa amin.
Sobrang iba-iba. Mount
Kasi,
Carmel.
if you haven't known Teacher Jessel, way back 2019 up until 2025, isa ako sa mga core committees, MCs, production, kung ano-ano mapam yan. Lahat yan nakikita ko backstage and on stage. And again, sabi ko nga, tumatak lahat ng kanilang introduction.
Sobra,
Ibig sabihin, not just sa teachers ha, but even sa mga students natin na nanood during the pageant. So ibig sabihin, merong isang babae or lalaki or estudyante natin na tumatak sa entablado
Yes.
during that day. And it's
Actually,
just
oo,
not one
totoo,
student, but 28
28,
students.
super dami. Tapos maririnig mo minsan sa hallway, ginagaya nila. Tapos kabisado yung buong line. Gusto niyo sample?
Actually, ginawa ko yan minsan sa clearance. Sabi ko, bago ko pirma ng clearance, magbigay ka ng isang intro ng Mr. and Miss.
Sabi, lahat talaga tumatak.
Oo.
Sino yung pinakabisado yung line?
Sige,
sige, sample.
Sabay-sabay.
Sample,
Sige,
sabay-sabay.
ready? 1, 2, 3, go!
I am Cyril Anbides, and I'm honored to represent Grade 12 Samaria!
Diba? Isang buong line, isang buong introduction yung kabisado nila.
Shout out sa'yo, Cyril.
Tapos minsan sa faculty room,
Thank you,
nagbibiruan
Sai.
din kami. Asa na si Samaria?
Okay. But
Grabe, so fun.
Of course, siguro naman, napakaganda ng experience nyo as what you have stated, of course. But at this point, I would like to ask you guys one by one. Siguro let's start with Denver, then with Layla, then the senior high schools, and then the Miss TCMS. Ano yung mai-impart nyo na isang bagay na natutunan nyo throughout your journey? Not just in the competition, but being part of TCMS. At ano yung isang bagay na maa-assure nyo sa mga future TCMAers natin, yung mga incoming grade 11 natin, kung ano yung magiging vision nila sa TCMS as you have experience. Let's start with you, Denver. Emotional pa rin siya.
Wait lang.
Oo, teary-eyed pa rin siya. Sige. Sige, si Layla daw muna. Iko-compose niya lang yung sarili niya.
Okay, good afternoon, TC Mayors. I encourage everyone to be limitless and to know your potential na you can go anywhere. You can go anywhere you like. You can do everything you want to make your family proud, to make yourself proud, and of course, the Lord. And ang payo ko rin po sa inyo, wag nyo, wag nyo i-drain yung sarili nyo masyado to please other people. Hindi naman sa nagpi-please po ako ng other people. Sinasabi ko lang kasi you should take the opportunities or the competitions that's na nandyan para sa'yo because not all people are privileged to experience those and you are the chosen one.
Ang ganda nun. You are the chosen one.
Yes, and parang sasabi niya, experience is the best teacher.
Yes. At lagi ko ngang sinasabi sa bawat isang TC Mayor na nag-e-enroll dito, Kasi yung iba, sabi nga rin nila, it's not their first choice to be part of the covenant, tama? But eventually, they eventually nagugustuhan nila ang the covenant. Kasi isa lang ang sinasabi ko sa kanila. It's not you who chose the covenant. It's the Lord who chose the covenant for you. There's a purpose kung bakit ka nasa the covenant. It's either you will learn a lesson or you will be the lesson. And sa part ni Leila, siya yung lesson. Kasi napatunayan natin na you can be limitless, but you should never be drained because you want to be limitless. Diba? Sige, Denver, kaya na natin.
Grabe, napaka-supported kasi talaga ni Denver sa totoo lang, guys. Kaya naiintindihan ko pagiging supported niya. Ngayon, umiyak talaga siya.
Sige, anong nararamdaman mo after your journey? Kasi outgoing siya eh. Kagagraduate lang niya. Ano yung nararamdaman mo na after being with TCMS?
After win Mr. TCMS, naramdaman ko na may mga tao palang handang tumulong sa akin. Mga taong andyan para sa akin. Hindi ko in-expect na susuportahan ako ng mga tao, ng pamilya ko, lalo na ng pamilya ko. Dahil first of all,
Ayan. Thank you so much, Denver. Sabi nga rin nila, you have your family, but you also have your choice to choose your family. And in this case, tayo ang pamilya niya. We're not just a community, we're not just a school, we are family.
Totoo.
At
Ayan.
ang isang patunay kung bakit tayo pamilya, saan kayo nakakita ng school, nakausap nyo directly ang may-ari? Saan kayo nakakita ng school na directly yung may-ari ang nagbibigay ng pagkain nyo? Diba? Dito lang yon sa The Covenant. Ibig sabihin, nanay nyo talaga si Ma'am Ami.
Thank you, Ma'am Ami.
Diba? O, sige. Let's have you, Justin. Same question.
We can assure po na kapag pumasok ka po sa school na to is meron ka pong pamilya, meron ka pong kakampi. Kasi yung una pong pasok ko po dito, si Klein lang po yung kilala ko eh. Kumbaga, meron po akong nasa likod, which is si Ma'am Jess. Yung section ko po, Pilimon. Yung mga panganay po ni Ma'am Jess. Grade 12 ni Nive po. And sa circle of friends ko po, sobrang thankful po talaga ako sa kanila kasi wala po ako dito kung wala po sila. And magtiwala po kayo sa sarili nyo kasi sila nga po may tiwala sa inyo eh. Bakit hindi ka po magtitiwala sa sarili mo?
Diba? Nakita
Totoo
yung
yun.
improvement ni Jazz.
It only takes one person to believe in you, to believe in yourself.
And also, you have to believe in yourself for others to be able...
believe in you.
Yes, diba?
Yan. Pero shout out sa'yo, Klein.
Kung nasaan ka man.
Kasi kung hindi dahil sa'yo, wala dito si Justin.
Yes, wala akong papasali sa Mr. TCMS.
Yes. How about you, Shanine? Same question.
Hi, future TC Mayors. I can assure you guys na once na dito kayo pumasok and dito kayo nag-aral, mas mabuboost yung confidence nyo and excelling in my academics. I'm also excelling in dancing kasi I'm a member of School of Multiple Intelligence. Hindi lang kayo mag-excel in academics but also in extracurricular activities.
Ayan. Shout out Wayas Neiman Dance Room.
Gusto ko, comment down below, guys.
Nakaka-proud naman
kayo.
yun. Hindi lang academics but multiple intelligences. Kasi karamihan ng estudyante natin sasabihin, Sir, di po ako magaling sa ganyan. Ma'am, hindi ko po kaya yan. Siyempre, si teacher, hindi.
Kaya mo yan.
Diba? Shout out sa'yo ulit, Clyde. Kasi yan yung na-experience mo. Diba? Ano siya ngayon? Isa siyang magaling na technical team ng The Covenant. And I'm very much proud to say as well, isa rin siya sa campus journalists natin. You would like to add anything?
Ano rin po, I am crowned as the Miss Senior High School 2025 and I am really thankful for my teacher na pinush ako papunta dito na makapasok sa pageantry. And sa lahat po ng teachers ng The Covenant, I'm really thankful for you guys kasi pinupush niyo.
Shout out sa'yo, Sir Eugene. Ikaw yung teacher na yun
Yes, i-drop name na natin. Para
ayaw pa niyang i-drop name eh. Sir
Para
Eugene.
may screenshot siya mamaya, may story niya.
Thank you so much. How about you, Russell? Same question.
Damn. Kinuha kasi ni Shanine sagot ko nga. Ang TCMS is Multi-Intelligence School. What?
Multiple Intelligence.
Yes, yun. So, ayun nga, not only sa academics, pati sa extracurriculars ka mag-excel and andyan yung teachers para tulungan kayo adjust yung mga needs mo na time and exams, ganun. So, di ka talaga magsisisi pag lumipat ka dito. Kaya transfer na guys. Hello.
Gusto niya mayroon siya
Huwag ka mag-transfer. Mamaya sabihin ng welcome incoming grade 11.
Welcome
Pero kung may incoming grade 12, welcome.
Dito ka rin.
Ang gaganda po ng natin, Miss and Mr.
Welcome pa rin naman kayo. Everyone is welcome.
Come on, guys.
Ayan. Thank you so much, Russell. And last but not the least, Tiff.
Hello, TC Mayors. Actually, bibigyan lang po ako ng personal experience ko dito. Sabi ko na naman kanina na before ako mag-aral dito, I was full of doubts. And sa The Covenant, na-nurture nila ako bilang isang holistic na student. And na-realize ko rin dahil doon na hindi lang sa pag-aaral nasusukat yung isang talino ng isang estudyante. Yes. Sa skills and growth din po yun ng isang estudyante sa mga nakakasalumuhan niya rin po. Yes.
Ayan. Thank you so much,
Mga lessons
Tiff.
rin po.
ang tumatak sa
Ganda
akin
ng
sa
sinabi
sagot
niya.
niya, Teacher Jessel, hindi nasusukat ang intelihenteng tao base sa grades, kundi sa kanyang pagkatao. But of course, hindi namin sinasabing hindi mahalaga ang grades. Mahalaga pa rin tutukan natin ang pag-aaral kasi sabi nga ng ating mga magulang, ito ang susi sa ating kinabukasan. But then again, let's not overwhelm ourselves with the grades. Kasi at the end of the day, it's your personality and skills that will enhance your lifestyle
Yes.
and will develop your future as well.
And also, gusto ko rin sinabi niya na parang sasabi niya sa akin, everything can be learned. Don't be afraid to take your risk.
Muling pagkakataon, let's give a big, warm TZMayor applause to our Mr. and Miss TZMS. But before we end this live, we are promoting TZMS social media accounts. That is TZMS 2007 for our Facebook account. Rather, for our IG, TikTok, and X account. And it's TCMS for our official Facebook page.
Yes, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and also ring the notification bell for more updates.
And of
Yan.
course, for you to know more updates regarding the Covenant itself, kami po ay magiging active sa ating YouTube account, which is Die Covenant Montessori School. And of course, to our incoming grade 11 students, or for the incoming grade 11 students na up until now is undecided kung saang school ka pupunta, we hope and pray that this would be a great testament to what you can become after senior high school. Kaya naman, congratulations as well to our grade 12 batch. Covenant.
Oh, ang dami, sirs. Pero sige.
Ready siya tumika.
First of all, before transferring dito, next po is yung advisor ko po, si Sir Nico. Asan si Sir Nico? Oh my God, wala siya. Damn! And, ay, si Jai, nanonood ka ba, Jai? Hi, namuntik na kita makalimutan.
Shout out sa iyo, Orhen.
Partner ko, pag absent ako, absent rin siya kasi paras kami sa training. Excuse pala, di absent, peace. Pag may exams, kasabay ko mag-exams pa midterms. Hello, Jai. Then, nag-OGT ako, sir, di ba? Sa DOST. So, sa DOST ako nag-OGT. Sila yung first friends ko dito sa Die Covenant. So, hi! And, syempre, the whole class sumuporta po sa akin throughout the pageant and kahit saan po kasi since transfer ako, di ko alam sino yung teacher. Sila nagtuturo sa akin kung sino. And, syempre, sa teachers rin po. Tama ba sagot ko sa tanong?
Oh, tama naman.
Tuloy mo lang.
So, I guess yun lang po.
Well, I guess we can wrap that up with a great experience at Die Covenant. Kaya naman, again, sa mga ating incoming grade 12 experience, for our incoming grade 11 students, ayan. So kung gusto nyong magkaroon ng isang magandang paaralan, come and join us at Die Covenant Montessori School. So I guess that is the end of our live. Kaya naman, kaway-kaway na kayo sa inyong mga fans, sa inyong mga supporters. Once again, our Mr. and Miss TZMS candidate. We are now ending this live. See you all in the next episode. Bye!
Bye!
And God bless all.
Thank you for
Bye,
being with us
everyone.
today.